All right, today is the last day of multiplying. There's two different types of, I guess you could call them special cases that you're going to see. For you guys though, you're not gonna multiply these in any other way or different way than you already have. You're just going to either use your table or you're gonna use distribution or distribute. I'm gonna show you two examples of each. There's two different types of, I guess, special cases that you could see. So I'll show you 1 and 3 here. And just kind of show you what happens. But yeah, today you're just multiplying again. Your grades from your quiz should be updated either today or tomorrow. So just keep an eye out for that. And if you are interested in a retake, please reach out. So for number 1, when you're finding a product, that means you're going to be multiplying. So if you multiply using distributing or FOIL, you would do x times x, and when you multiply, you add your exponents, so you would get x squared. And you do x times 5, which is 5x. So I distributed the x to everything. Now I move on to the negative 5. Negative 5 times x is negative 5x. Negative 5 times a positive 5 is a negative 25. Once you do your multiplying, then you need to combine like terms and write in standard form. So x squared has nothing to combine with, so I get x squared. My x's, I have a positive 5x minus 5x. 5 minus 5 is 0. They actually completely cancel each other out. There's no x left over, so don't write anything. Then I have on the end minus 25, and that's it. So you get a quadratic binomial if you want to get technical with the term. So you're just multiplying again today. So if you did well with multiplying last week, you're going to be great today. Next one, same idea. 2y times 2y is 4y squared. Remember to add those exponents. 2y times 3 is a positive 6y. I distributed the 2y to everything. Now I'm going to move on to the negative 3. Negative 3 times 2y is negative 6y, and negative 3 times a positive 3 is a negative 9. Once you do all the multiplying, then again, you're going to combine like terms and write in standard form. 4y squared has nothing to combine with. 6y minus 6y, positive 6 minus 6 cancels. And then you put minus 9 on the end. And that's it. So if you look at these two, like they're basically the same exact thing inside the parentheses, except for one's plus, one's minus. And when that happens, the middle term cancels out, which is kind of cool. So there's one example of something you could see today. The other is going to look like this, like number 7. I'll probably just show you number 7 and send you on your way. I'm not sure if you really need to see me do 15 more of these. So for number 7, it says 4x plus 6 squared. So when you have like 3 squared is the same thing as 3 times 3. The same is true for this. If I have 4x plus 6 squared, that's the same thing as 4x plus 6 times 4x plus 6. So the only difference is that they're not just going to write it twice. So you're going to have to write it twice and then multiply like you did last week. So once I've written it twice, because there's 2 of them, you don't just distribute the square. You actually have to rewrite it twice. So then you start your multiplying. 4x times 4x is 16x squared. 4x times 6 is 24x. Now I move on to the 6. 6 times 4x is 24x. 6 times 6 is 36. Then you're going to combine like terms and write it in standard form. 16x squared has nothing to combine with. 24x plus 24x, positive 24 plus 24 is 48x. And then plus 36 on the end. And that's it. So the only thing you need to make sure that you do for these ones, like this, you have 8x plus 1 squared. You would put 8x plus 1 and then another 8x plus 1. And then you can distribute and multiply it out. Today, if you have any questions, please reach out and let me know.